all around.
He is, isn't he? Where's his body?
It's down there.
His body's all gone. Is he gonna climb on you?
Maybe he will.
Oopsie! He flipped over again.
I did myself.
Here, we'll use a stick.
Yeah.
Flip him right back over. Say, where you going, buddy?
Where do you go, buddy? You're your friend.
So we got a live cicada without an abdomen, and we have a dead cicada with an abdomen.
They're both like them.
They're pretty cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this one's not alive.
No, he's not alive, is he? This one's having a hard time because he's got a leg missing.
He got 2 legs. He can fly. Mommy, he's moving.
He is moving, isn't he?
Mommy, he's moving. He's moving.
Oops.
Here, cicada.
Here's cicada. Should we give this one a name?
How about that's a cicada? That's a boy.
It's a boy? How do you know?
This is a girl.
It is?
Uh-huh.
So what should we name our boy cicada?
How about he's alive? What's not skirt? This one.
Should we give her a name too?
Yeah.
Even though she's dead?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's a girl.
Okay, so what's her name?
That's Maleficent.
Maleficent? And what about the boy cicada?
He's cinnamon.
Huh?
He's cinnamon.
Cinnamon? You want to name him Cinnamon?
Uh-huh.
Okay, Cinnamon and Maleficent. Cinnamon's alive, and Maleficent is dead. Where did he go? All right, there we go.